Injuries are a sportsman's greatest fear, but in today's fast-paced world of sports, it's becoming increasingly difficult to be completely injury-free. Experts say that the reason behind the increasing number of cricketers in the casualty ward is overexertion, in terms of sheer number of games being played. Dr. Jatin Chaudhary, a renowned physiotherapist from Delhi who has treated various sports personalities, is of the opinion that the physical pressure of cricket is causing the recent injury worries.
Nowadays so much of cricket is happening and so much of pressure is there, franchisee pressure and official pressure. So this is the main cause for major injuries.
Doctors can do their bit to help the patient, but with cricket garnering so much attention, players have the urge to continue playing despite carrying severe injuries. Delhi Daredevils skipper Virender Sehwag was nursing a shoulder injury for a while, but his exertions in the IPL have sidelined the Indian opener for a considerable period.
Players who are above 30, they should play only important matches.
If youngsters getting injured too frequently is a common sight, then there are players like Sachin Tendulkar, Adam Gilchrist and Shane Warne who belie their age and continue to perform at the highest level.
If you talk about Sachin Tendulkar, he's so dedicated, so disciplined. He takes care of his diet, his fitness plans. If you want to be like Sachin, you have to follow his routine. What he does, he's so disciplined, so dedicated. You have to be like that only.
The experts' advice is simple. Players need to give their bodies enough time to recover. But with the high amount of money and interest involved in the sport, cricketers will continue to risk their careers and compromise on fitness. CVB News, Delhi.